What are ethical rules in technology? Considerations associated with the development and use of modern technology, focusing on themes such as responsibility, risk, justice, equity, and autonomy. What are the 5 ethical issues? Unethical accounting, harassment, health and safety, technology, privacy, social media, and discrimination are the 5 primary types of ethical issues in the technology field. Ethical issues such as how we treat others, use information, engage with employees, manage resources, approach sustainability, and impact the world around us. What are the benefits of ethical technology? Global collaboration. Ethical technology promotes global collaboration in addressing challenges. By adhering to ethical standards, developers can work together across borders to create solutions that benefit humanity as a whole. What is an example of an ethical issue related to technology? Facial recognition software can be misused, resulting in the restriction of personal freedoms, especially when it comes to racial bias. There are also concerns over AI replacing jobs and how to keep health tracking data safe. What are the 2 advantages of being ethical? The advantages of ethical behavior include higher revenues, demand from positive consumer support, improved brand and business awareness and recognition, better employee motivation and recruitment. What is an example of digital ethics? This places a number of obligations on organizations that collect and use digital data about people, including asking for permission to collect and store data about users, asking for permission to sell any personal data that has been stored. Giving users the right to request that data about them is deleted. Mr. MUFAREH made a promise that Onpassive will never sell the data of its users. He has stuck by his promise. When those culprits tried to steal Onpassive's data, Mr. MUFAREH's brilliant technology team recaptured every single piece of data. How do we know? Everything that we had is still ours in the OES safe house. All of our users that were founders are still in our back office. Wallets and all still like it was when those unmentionables tried to sell the data. Selling data is a multi-billion-dollar business yearly, and nearly all these companies, huge and small, sell your data. How profitable is selling data? Data brokers make billions of dollars annually by collecting vast amounts of personal data and selling it to businesses for marketing and other purposes, often without consumer knowledge. So why are these other companies upset with Onpassive? Because Onpassive has digital products and solutions in its inventory of AI-driven above market value products and solutions that are soon to hit the internet. Onpassive doesn't need a web browser. Like some companies who have limited products, Onpassive will sell digital products and solutions, not your data. Mr. MUFAREH, if he were not ethical, could have captured the data and sold the data to other companies and told us that he wasn't able to recapture the data and vanished super wealthy, but that is not like him and his family are. They are ethical and loving. Founders, we are very fortunate to have become a significant part of Mr. MUFAREH and his family. Humanity has found its warrior and champion, Mr. MUFAREH. What are the unethical uses of technology? In today's information age, the world is progressing as a whole towards a large-scale adoption of information technology, henceforth IT. One concern that has arisen is the unethical usage of such technology. Problems such as software piracy, hacking, spoofing, and plagiarism are all instances of such unethical usage. Should there be an ethics of technology? As the power of technology grows, ethics within that technology has to grow with it to help ensure individuals and businesses that rely on IT are protected. Data management and privacy are one of the biggest challenges faced by those in the IT field. What are the ethics of IT workers? For example, among other elements that describe ethical behavior in the profession, in general, these codes assert that IT professionals need to commit to integrity, competence, professional responsibilities, work responsibilities, societal responsibilities. What is violation of the code of conduct? Is the company's code of conduct? Is any action that goes against a company's established policies and guidelines, either intentionally or unintentionally? What is digital technology ethics? Digital ethics, also known as information ethics, is defined as a branch of ethics that focuses on the relationship between the creation, organization, dissemination, and use of information, and the ethical standards and moral codes governing human conduct in society.